Welcome to Concord Marine Electronics. Today, we're talking about reliable Starlink installation for yachts and why choosing a professional Starlink installer near you is essential for seamless connectivity at sea. Yacht owners need high-speed internet for work, streaming, and navigation. The Starlink high-performance kit delivers broadband-level speeds, low latency, and wider coverage, ensuring reliable internet whether you're docked at Bahia Yachting Center or cruising to Key West. Since 1988, Concord Marine Electronics has been a leader in Starlink boat installation, offering expert marine-specific installation for secure, optimized performance, custom solutions tailored to your yacht's needs, service at top marinas in Fort Lauderdale and across South Florida, and 24/7 post-installation support to keep your system running smoothly. Unlike traditional VSAT, Starlink provides faster downloads, reliable offshore connectivity, and marine-grade hardware designed to withstand the elements. Our installation process includes a pre-installation assessment to determine the best setup for your yacht, secure mounting for optimal signal strength, system configuration for peak performance, and ongoing support to ensure long-term reliability. For professional Starlink installation in Fort Lauderdale, contact Concord Marine Electronics today. Stay connected wherever your yacht takes you.